Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with another unboxing. This is a Fendi unboxing. I'm sure you've seen from the title and the thumbnail what this item is, but I haven't seen it yet. It is still in its box. I've actually had this a couple of days now, and I have been so excited to open this one. I think out of all of the unboxings that I've done this year, apart from all of my smaller unboxings that I've done this year, some of them I haven't actually put up on my channel yet, full transparency, but this is definitely one of the ones that I've been the most excited about, just because this was kind of a spur of the moment buy. I actually thought this item was ridiculous the first time, or the first few times that I saw it. But the more I saw it, the more I fell in love with it, and I couldn't get it out of my head. And I saw this colour and I just had to get it to see what it was like and see if I can get it to work for me. So let's get to opening it. I have been honestly so excited about this. So excited. Here we are. So these Fendi items do come with a shopping bag with the Fendi ribbon. Very nice. And inside here we have a little yellow box. So this was the last one that they had on the website in this colour, so I'm hoping it's okay and it wasn't a return that, you know, somebody else has fumbled around with. So let's see. Inside we have the little Fendi dust bag. So small. Inside here is just a security tag. And then we have the Fendi Nano Baguette charm in the colour purple. And as you can see, when I saw this colour, this kind of fuchsia purple pink is my absolute favourite. I saw it in this colour and I was just, if I ever see anything in this kind of magenta purpley colour, I just fall in love with it every single time, and I end up spending too much money and buying silly things like this. So let me see if I can get close up. So this is the Fendi Napa leather, and it has the raised F logo all over it, and it has this gold like key charm tag thing on the back, which is secured there. And again, this is like puffy leather. It has the gold Fendi logo on the front there. Let me just see if I can adjust the light in this. That's a bit bright. Let's try that. Yeah, that's a bit better. And it's just a very miniature, cute baby baguette that you can use as a card holder, or, you know, a tiny catch-all, fit in your bags. But not only does it have the attachment here, it also comes with a crossbody strap. So inside here, so this is all leather as well, and down in here. Okay, so this probably has been owned by someone else. because that is bashed up. This is that's the certificate. That's the certificate of authenticity. Oh well, that's not important. This is what's important. So it comes with this chain that just attaches with lobster clasps on either side of these little rings, and the chain is just like a, you know, a regular kind of, what do they call these chains, just like a necklace chain. You can see there, and the fastening here is just a little press stud there. It says Fendi just on the little popper there. So that's what it looks like on the chain, and the chain is long enough to be worn crossbody. The only thing I'm a little bit concerned about is that I am a larger lady, and obviously this is a very tiny small bag, and I am well aware that this might be pushing it a bit with how daft I'm going to look with something so small against my rather large body, but I think for the sake of having something that I love this much, I'm hoping that I can make it work. Even though this is tiny, it's actually quite, you know, substantially wide. So I'm thinking, well, I'm hoping that I can fit a decent amount of items in here. At the moment, the catch-all that I have been using for, I don't know how long I've had this. It's one of the illustration ones, but I've had this years, and I've used it like, this is by far my most used SLG. I use this, this is the one thing I have with me all the time, but I'm going to see what I can fit in this little pouch. So I only really take 4 cards out with me. So that's them in there. Oh, I've just noticed, hang on, let me remove those again. Just in the back there is actually a little slip pocket with a little item card. So I'm going to put those cards in that little slot there, because there's only 4 and that's all I ever need with me, and I think they'll fit in there without too much issue, because there seems to be quite a lot of give on that yeah, there is, like that's 4 there, in there, no bother. There's probably room for a couple more there if I wanted to. It's not pulling on it, stretching it at all. And then I have this whole front section for anything else that I want to take with me. I have the AirPods Pro. They do have a little like case thing on them with a carabiner thing. This might be too big for this, but we can try. I probably would never keep this in here, but let's just see if it fits. So it does fit, but yeah, it doesn't shut. So, and I wouldn't put that in there. That's stretching it too much anyway. If I was going out anywhere, I'd probably take my car key. So let me take that off. That does fit in there without any issues. Maybe a lip balm. That fits. And I've got a little set of tweezers. Can I fit that in there as well? Yep, that fits as well. Some medication, could I fit that in there too? Yep, no bother. See what else I can fit. What else have I got? Nail clippers. Yep. Do you know what? That's pretty impressive, to be fair. And a toothpick. Let's have a look. Can we fit toothpick in? We can. And does that shut? Yep, that shuts. It's a little puffy. Well, do you know what? No, it's okay. I'd be happy to carry it like that. It's only slightly puffed out, not, you know, nothing overstretching it. Like, you think, tiny little thing like that. And I fit all of that in there. And to be fair, I reckon I could fit something else in there, to be honest, on top here. It's a little bit of space still. And I don't feel that anything's going to fall out. Yeah, like nothing's going to fall out the top there. Feels secure. So, I mean, if you wanted to go out somewhere, like, you didn't need to take like a whole bag with you, you could totally take this with you. There's, other than your phone, obviously you're not going to fit a phone in here, but that's certainly enough items that you could go out like for one day out or something. And this is just a regular card holder from Chanel, and look, so the Chanel is obviously quite a bit bigger than the Fendi, but because the Fendi is so much wider, I mean, it's a little pouch, obviously you can fit way more in it, and it serves, you know, this is a card holder, and this serves as a card holder as well, but so much more. Then this is something that's very similar, the Louis Vuitton key clay. So that also can be used as like a bag charm, you know, hung off a bag or hung off your jeans or whatever. And that also has the pouch function where you can put your cards in there, and a couple of different items. But let's see if everything that fits in here will fit in here. Right, there you go. That is it with everything in apart from my key, which I've put on the outside. But as you can see, that does not look very happy at having all of that in there. It's really buckled and it's quite pushed out here where the lip balm is. I wouldn't really want to do that. I do use this, I do still put things in it, but I wouldn't put anything as bulky as that in there. Having this extra width on this is so much better. The press stud is a little hard to close with nothing in it because there's nothing to press for it to press against. So really you do need to have some items in there for that to be pushed out enough that the popper can go in there comfortably. So I originally saw this bag on Dayle's Addiction, and Dayle has got this bag in like a bubblegum pink. I believe she was doing a video with her friend, I think his name's Connor, from the channel The Closet, and I think they were doing like, they were talking about bag of the day, and I think he had his Loewe puzzle bag, which was gorgeous, and he asked her what bag of the day that she had, and she pulled this out, and I just snorted when I saw like she had this tiny little thing and that was her bag of the day. But I was like, oh my god, I absolutely love that. Like I had seen them before, but I'd kind of thought I didn't get the tiny bag thing, and I think now I get it. Like there's just something, they're just so cute. You know, these little miniaturized versions of bigger bags, I just think they're so sweet. So I happened to go and have a look on the Fendi website to see how much they were, and you know what availability there was, what colors, options, and I saw there was one left in this color, and I just had to have it. When I decided that I wanted this because there was one left and I panic bought it, I kind of went online to see if I could find anything else that showed the colour. Sorry, my dog is snoring. That showed the colour, and I came across one video, like out of all of YouTube, and believe me, I have looked long and hard. I found one video from a lady whose channel is Klassy with K's, and she was actually doing a video about the Fendi Skims collection, which is Skims is like Kim Kardashian's company, you know, the skin tight skinwear stuff. She was showing the items that she'd bought. She'd actually got one of these from that collaboration. And the only difference was it was the exact same bag as this, but it came with like the Skims packaging, which was a pink box and a pink bag instead of the yellow box with the yellow bag. So obviously that was limited edition. But I didn't realise that it was the same. And I actually asked her about hers, and she said that the purple ones that were on the website now were the same bags. So she clarified that for me. So I did appreciate that. Yeah, when I saw this was the last one, I was like, in this colour, I have to have it. I have to have it. Or I had to at least buy it and get it in my hand so I can see if I think I can make this work for me, because this colour is just, I just love it. I love it so much. It's just gorgeous. I had originally kind of been looking at the ones that are just in the Fendi monogram canvas, like the cozy canvas, but they, even though I think they're really, really nice, there was just something about this like pillowy, puffy leather that I think when I saw it, again, when I saw it on Dale's channel, the way that like, I could see how soft it was in her hands, and it just made me kind of want to reach out and touch it. So now I can. There we go. That is my new little bag charm. I really, really hope you like it as much as I do. Look how well it goes on my top. So cute. Please subscribe if you like my videos. I'd really, really appreciate it. And like this video. Let me know what other videos you'd like to see. And hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.